Welcome! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to block someone on Roblox. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, open your browser, whatever browser that you are using. But in this tutorial, I'm gonna use Google Chrome. And then, go to roblox.com. And then here, you want to click login if you have an account, and if you don't have one, just fill out this form. So you need to put your birthday, username, password, gender, then click sign up. So I'm just gonna log in my account, and then here, so for example, you want to block this user, click view profile. And then here, you can see three little dots on the upper right side of their profile. You want to click on that. And then here, you can see a black user option. So click on that. And then after that, Roblox will ask you if you are sure that you want to block the user. So if you are sure about that, just click block. So block means that when you've blocked a user, neither of you can directly contact the other. So just click block. Then refresh your page. And then there you have it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.